It's about to go down. Zion, we move, we fly. Prophet like no other is about to step out in grand style. Regardless, we are unstoppable. Zion to the world. Take a look at the streets. Show me your prophet is about to kick off. Prophet like no other. Prophet like no other. Prophet like no other. Oh my God. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Wow. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Oh my goodness. The joy is excess. Wow. Prophets like no other. Show me your prophet. If you can see this video, do well to share, and share again. Wow, it's really amazing. Over here. Wow. Prophet like no other is about to step out in grand style. Regardless, we move. And we move. Wow. Here we are on the street. The street is filled with people. Massive joy, massive jubilation around the world. Zion, we move. Prophets like no other, stepping out in grand style for our first Sunday program of the month of March 2025. Zionites, are you ready? Take a look. Regardless, take a look at the joy. The joy is excessive, massive jubilation. Oh my goodness. Wow. There we go. Woo! Prophets like no other. Check now, see for yourself. See Zion everywhere, scattered. street, oh, see the street, oh, Ichoko. Show me your prophet, show me your prophet. Wow. Show me your prophet. See, everybody left Zion ground to be on the 14th plot.
So after all this propaganda, after all these people trying to pull Evangelist Ebuka Obi down, look at people, they go Zion ministry. There is nothing where people go feel used to put this man down. Nothing. They cannot pull Evangelist Ebuka Obi down. I'm telling you the truth. Anything when they like, let them talk. They cannot put this man down. God is with this man.